In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix stick drift on Xbox One Turtle Beach. Now, fixing a stick drift is really complicated for some, but what you want to generally do is to hold both analog buttons together. So let's say that this is your thumb right here. Now, after holding it with your thumb, you can just continuously rotate the analog back and forth for around 20 seconds, making sure that we clear up debris, dirt that's stuck between the crevices of the analogs right here, which is going to be this one. Now, after rotating the analog sticks, you want to simply hold a joystick onto the edge right here. This will expose the bottom part of the analog, and from there you then want to blue on this part. You can then repeat the same step, which is to push the analog onto this path right here. This will open up, and then you want to blue on it. Repeat right here, blue on this part until you clean each or all the crevices around each analog. Now, for the last method that I recommend is to simply use a contact cleaner, and then you want to spray it between the openings right here, making sure that it frees up analog dirt or debris that's stuck within both buttons. Now, if that didn't fix the problem, you can then try to set dead zones on the game settings itself. That basically means that if you set your dead zone into something like 10%, so if your analog drifts around 10%, it will not go ahead and register. And if you register, let's say this is 20%, this is the part where the game will recognize that you're actually moving the stick, not the stick drift. Now, that's another way to do it. And the final way is basically opening up the controller, removing the parts individually, and from there you then want to clean it up using isopropyl alcohol. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.